we have been asked to find the limit as x approaches infinity for this expression. We're going to look at it individually. So for the first expression, we are going to consider if like we simplify the variable, we could see that we will get 23 on 52x here. But when we cancel out, only one x will left here. And then we have the limit as it approaches with a constant. There's a constant. Nothing will happen. Let's leave it like that. And then here we have a pieces of expression. So all that we are going to consider, we are going to look at the highest exponent, which is this one. So let me write it as it is, and then I will simplify. Now we are going to put the infinity because this approaches infinity, so we're going to put a big number. So here we have 23 on 52 times the infinity plus a constant. Nothing will happen with a constant. And then here the variable is of the same, so it's going to turn into 1. So we're going to get 3 over 1 over here. Only concern is here we have to, the denominator is becoming so big, so anytime you divide a number by a bigger number, we realize that it approaches a very small number, which is it approaches 0. So here will be like 0 plus 2 on 3 plus 3 on 1. For this expression, as x approaches infinity, we are getting only 2 over 3 plus 3. Let's put 1 here. Okay, and then let's simplify this fraction. So as we simplify, the denominator is going to be 3, and then 2 here, and then 1 goes into 3. 3 times 3 times 3, 9. So we are going to get 11 on 3. Okay, the limit as it approaches infinity of the whole expression is going to be 11 on 3. Thank you.